great to see you again. I'm Abbey Gibb, a holistic nutritionist, CEO of Basify, and a great friend of FitLifeTV. By now, you already understand how important what you put into your body is to your health and fat loss. So let's talk about how to reset your body and how to melt away that stubborn fat in just one day. Yup, one day. Right? But even if you're eating the exact right foods in the perfect quantities, none of it really matters if you're not digesting them. I know. The truth is, digestion is why most people really struggle to see the big changes in their bodies. Yeah, they remain stuck and frustrated, and maybe this is you, burnt out, tired of wasting time, not having that perfect body that you've always wanted. So today I want to talk about the first step, or we at Organifi call the alpha step, because it's the beginning step in any transformation goal. This has changed thousands of people's lives, and if you let it, it is about to do the same thing for you. Alpha state is where everything just flows. Everything is just easy. Your body doesn't really have to work hard. Now it's acting like the well-oiled machine that it's really supposed to. You can just kind of breeze through your day. You're gonna feel energized and full of life. If changing your body and losing fat doesn't come easy to you, chances are that you're suffering from poor digestion right now. Now, the most common symptoms of poor digestion are gas and bloating, stomach aches, fatigue, mental fog, diarrhea, or constipation. Yeah, sound familiar? One of these things? Yeah, I know. It happened to me too, which is why I'm here to help you. Now, we're talking about a one-day juice fast. Essentially, this means that for a period of 24 hours, you will actually be eating almost no food. And the food you do put into your system is strategically used to clear your digestive tract. So, what does that look like? Great question. Well, it's not gonna be a lot of fruit juices, I'll tell you that. You're gonna wanna drink 3 to 6 vegetable juices throughout the day, no solid food, and the juices will be between 12 to 24 ounces or so. And then on top of that, you're gonna drink 80 ounces of water. All of that is gonna help flush your body while detoxifying. So in the beginning, we recommend that you try about 3 or so 24-ounce juices. Now, if you're too full, make the next one just a little bit smaller. Now, if you're still hungry, that's okay. Make the next juice just a little bit larger. Also, have at least a glass of water with 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This helps to remove the mucus and the toxins that are happening while you're juicing. If you have a busy schedule, by the way, let's say that you can only make like 1 of the juices in that day, that's okay. Replace the rest of it with Organifi green juice. It's quick, it tastes delicious, it's minty, and I think it kind of is like a dessert juice, to be honest. The most important thing here, keep it simple. A good rule of thumb is about 3 to 4 organic ingredients per juice. You don't have to get crazy. All of them are gonna help with your digestion. Let's talk about some of those ingredients. Spinach, by the way, contains iodine and iron. Now that helps to clean the blood and alkaline minerals to maintain your pH balance. It's great for your skin. Kale is one of those that you love to hate. I know, who doesn't really, it's not my thing either. But juicing it, I swear is really not that bad. It's the king of fighting inflammation. Now with all of these ingredients, the quantity of each one of these really just depends on you. So you can't go wrong, I promise, I swear, it's really that easy. Just start small and then keep moving up. Let's talk about cucumbers for a second. They keep you hydrated, they help to flush out the toxins, they promote clear, beautiful, healthy skin, full of vitamins A, B, and C, and they also help to promote healthy nails and hair. Gotta love that, right? Mint has one of the highest antioxidant capacities of any food. It can help relieve seasonal allergies, it promotes a healthy digestion, and it also has this calming, cooling effect on the skin. Basil helps to reduce inflammation and swelling. It's rich in antioxidants. I love to throw in just a little bit of grapefruit. It's really one of the only fruits I will put in there. It's got lots of vitamin C, so it's important with flu season in full force. Good for maintaining low blood pressure, and it also helps to prevent wrinkles, right? Finally, beets. So if kale, by the way, is the king, then beets are the queen, especially for liver detoxification. Now with this little lady, you wanna go a little easy because she packs a punch there with the cleansing situation, but also with sugar. So just start with like 1 beet in your juice. That's it. 3 to 4 juices and you're on your way to the alpha state. Again, thanks for joining us. Always great to see you. I'm Abbey Gibb, a holistic nutritionist, the creator of the 7-Day Slim Down, and a fantastic friend of Fit Life. Until next time, don't forget, we're in this together.